To be looking at how to use Educreations and how your students can flip the classroom. This app is a lot simpler and a lot more intuitive. I mean, the other one has a lot more tools and a lot more features, explain everything. And I got cut off in the last video. Explain everything is one that I would use for teaching. And when you actually get done with your videos and you've actually uploaded them as movies, those movies can actually be directly uploaded to your Moodle page. So you actually have a file saved as a movie file, a .mov file, and you can actually upload that to Moodle, and kids can click on those videos in Moodle. Educreation's a little different, and it doesn't have all the bells and whistles, but it's a very powerful tool, and it's a free one that students can use. It opens directly into your interactive whiteboard. The tools are not as advanced. You can add some slides. Down here I can click and I can have different types of paper. I can change it to a coordinate grid for math. That works really nice. And if I want, I can add another page. And I just add a page actually just by clicking the right arrow. So it is a little bit more, a little bit less advanced because you don't have as much to work with here. When you go ahead and start clicking on the screen, you can go ahead and start writing. And you only get 4 colors here. If I click something on the screen that I want to choose, if I want to add text, I just click on my text tool and tap anywhere on the screen and I can add text. You can bring in pictures from your camera, photo, Dropbox, or the web. So you only get Dropbox here, but you've got some other things to work with. If I want to select something, I just got to choose it and use my hand tool, and I can kind of move things around. You don't have an eraser here, but you do have an undo button, and that's it. And that's the one thing I don't like about this. You do, after you get started writing, there is a clear screen. You just hit the X to clear the screen. You can clear the page or clear the ink. And to create a movie, all you have to do is click record and start making your movie. So I can start writing. You can see that it's recording up at the top part of the screen. Once I hit pause, all you have to do is hit done and save the lesson, and you title the lesson. And here's where when the first time you go into the Educreation app, you do have to create an account. And the difference, and the thing that I don't like about this app, is that different for teachers. For students it's great, but for teachers you cannot save the file locally. You actually have to upload it to their website. That's why you have to create an account. So I would just title it example, hit next. You can set it at private, public. You can actually set up a classroom on the web, which I'm not really using. I thought I might use, but I don't really see the point with Moodle. You can set it as public or private. You can pick a subject area and something, and within that subject area you can actually pick a topic within that subject area. Click save, and it saves the lesson, and it saves it on a page where you have all your lessons. And you can see where I've done a couple of lessons here. And to export it, it's fairly simple. You just hit this button over here, which is the export button, and it gives you a couple options. If I want to upload this project, I click upload and share it. Automatically, when you tap it, it will upload it to their website. My internet connection's not on right now, but you actually tap it to upload it to their website, and what you get is 4 options. You can either share it at Facebook, Twitter, you can email it to your class to share that video, or you can click this and actually get a link and copy the lesson link, and you can actually paste that link into Moodle. And then when they click on that link, it'll bring them to the Educreations website for them to view that video. So this is a view, just an overview of Educreations. What I'm using this for is about every couple weeks I'm going to have my students actually make videos and then actually post those videos to a wiki on Moodle or a Google Sites page where they can share their videos with each other and have things, video tutorials to share as a class.